Struggling to find the employee program in Wise? It's hidden. Watch this to apply in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click. Profile, referrals, employee programs, then enter your work email and submit. All right, let me walk you through this. I've tested this exact path myself, so I know for a fact it works. The employee program inside Wise isn't sitting out in the open where you'd expect it to be. It's tucked away, and if you don't know the sequence of clicks, you'll just keep circling around. So let's cut through that confusion right now. Start by opening up your Wise app or logging into the website. The very first thing you want to do is click on your profile icon. This is usually in the top right corner of the screen. It might be your initials or a little silhouette of a person. Just tap or click that. And here's the thing. If you're on a desktop browser, it looks pretty much the same. Profile icon first. That's our starting point. So now that we've opened up your profile area, look for the section labeled Referrals. It's usually in a list or a sidebar menu. Click on Referrals. This is the hub where Wise handles all the invite and sharing stuff. And this is important. If you've never clicked this before, don't worry. It's just a standard page. But the employee program, that's what we're after. And it lives inside this area. So make sure you find Referrals and click it. Now, this is where things get specific. On the Referrals page, you'll see a few different options. There might be something about sharing with friends or earning bonuses. Ignore those for now. What you're looking for is the option that says Employee Programs. It's a separate little box or tab. Click on that. I want to pause here for a second because people miss this all the time. They see the word Referrals and they stop looking. But the employee program is its own thing entirely, so don't skip this step. Click on Employee Programs. Once you're on the Employee Programs page, you'll see a field asking for your work email. Now, pay attention to this one. This is where you need to type your company email address. Not your personal Gmail or your Yahoo. It has to be the email that your employer gave you, the one that ends with your company's domain. Type it in carefully. Double check for typos. If you mess this up, the system won't match you to your company's benefits. So take that extra few seconds. After you've entered your work email, click the Submit button. It might be a blue button at the bottom or a button that says Apply. Just click Submit. This might take a moment to process. Wise is verifying that your email matches an eligible company. But once it goes through, you're in. You've unlocked the employee program and all the perks that come with it. From struggling to find the option to actually submitting and getting access, that's the whole journey, and you just did it. So try it out for yourself and see what employee benefits your company has tied to your Wise account. Thanks for sticking with me.